Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and I wanted to do a review on the Bomea iPhone holster. It would obviously work with a smaller phone, but it's designed for the Pro, Max, or the Plus. So for me, I'm using it for an iPhone 11 Pro Max with a little, it's a slim, but it's a little bit more than slim case, but it's not huge. I've been using these Nite Ize cases forever, and I've had this one because I had to get a bigger one when I got a Plus model. I've had this one for over 2 years, maybe even 3, and I wear this to work and everything. You can see it's still holding up well. We got a little bit of wear. This is why I got this, because OtterBox holsters would break, but since this is a flexible plastic and it's mounted in nylon, nothing can really break here because this has some give and it's riveted and sewn in. Great design, but one thing I hate that Velcro. It's loud. Maybe if you're doing construction or up on a roof, then you might want that extra security, but for what I do, I don't like that. But it was well made. It holds up great. You know, it's washable. I like it, but I was looking for something new since I got a newer phone. And this was like $10, $11, so it was excellent price. And it mimics a lot of it. This one also has a plastic loop, but you can see it's really not flexible here, so maybe this could break, but it's flexible enough at not really the hinge, but I guess you could say the pivot point. And it's very similar. It's also riveted into the case and sewn in, but this is a cheaper material. It's, leather, and it's probably fake leather, even though it says it's genuine. I don't really know, but I don't know if it says it's leather. I think it's fake. So maybe there could be a failure, but for $10, if this lasts even 6 months, I'll just buy another one because I like the looks of it. You have these belt loops if you wanted to use them, but I'm going to use this. And I like how they keep this so it locks once you slide your belt beyond this, locks it so it can't pull back up. I guess you could cut these off. I don't think they're in the way. If they would be, I might cut them off, but it's nice they give you the option to have those. And again, you have a magnetic closure. And then I'm not going to put my cards in here. I carry a wallet, but I just keep a alcohol wipe and a microfiber just in case you need to clean your phone on the go. Now I'm recording with my phone, but I have this case. Let me know if that offends you in the comments down below. But you can see this is basically a brand new case, so it's going to be a little bit more stiff. But you can see everything fits nicely. Now this case is plastic on the edges, for the most part anyway. So it slides pretty well. But the UAG case has some bolsters, so they actually get a little bit caught on this. But I think almost every case I've had, you can see the elastic bulges out and stretches a little bit over time. So I'm sure that'll happen with this one as well. And it is like really heavy duty, so hopefully it doesn't like unstitch or rip. But I think with wear and tear, it'll actually break in more and be better. But I'm really impressed with it, again, for the price point, just around $10. It looks much better, and I love just that it has the magnetic closure. It has the same features for the most part. I would highly recommend it. Again, let me say, it does fit with the phone case for an 11 Pro Max. The 12 Pro Max is a little bit bigger, and I know it would fit a naked 12 Pro Max, otherwise maybe with a very, very thin case, but I did see some reviews saying you can't put a larger case on it. So an 11 Pro Max with like an OtterBox probably wouldn't work. A 12 Pro Max with probably even just a thinner case might not work unless you just want to have a really tight fit. But it should work with the 11 Pro Max and below, as long as you're not using a huge case. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully this helps you out. There's a lot of options, but I really think this is probably the nicest looking phone holster you can get on Amazon. I think it's a good option. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.